Hi, welcome to Genius. My name is Adrian here at Genius Phone Repair on Alpine Avenue, and today we're going over what happens if your phone falls in the water. So the first thing you want to do, and first and foremost, is remove it out of the water as fast as you possibly can. The reason why you want to do that is because it's a piece of electronics. You obviously don't want your phone to have water inside the electronics. The next thing you want to do, and first and foremost, never, please, turn the phone back on. If the phone is on, turn it off as fast as you can. The reason why you want to do that is because the electronic components in there are very sensitive. Much like electricity, with the water going through and the power, you could easily go through and destroy and cause actually more permanent damage. If you're able to remove the SIM card from your phone, go ahead and pop the SIM card out and let the phone sit there. Trying to do the bag of rice trick, kitty litter thing, that's not going to work. It actually is going to cause some more problems. The dust and powder in there can actually go through and ruin the components inside the phone, and basically you're causing a humidifier effect with it being inside the bag. It's not what you want to do. And here at Genius Phone Repair, we do actually offer water treatment services so we can try to recover the data. If not, try to potentially save your phone from that water damage from going on. Other than that, that's all I have for you today when it comes to my tips and trips when it comes to water damaged devices. Come check us out on Facebook if you can. If you like the video, like it, share it with your friends and family. If you have any suggestions, thoughts, or ideas, leave a comment at the bottom of the video below. And other than that, until next time, we'll see you for Tech Tuesday.